Many people have become accustomed to saying bless you or achoo or gesundheit when someone sneezes. Achoo! No one says anything when someone coughs. Achoo! Blows their nose or burps. So why do sneezes get special treatment? What do these phrases actually mean anyway? Wishing someone well after their sneeze probably originated thousands of years ago. The Romans would say, Jupiter preserve you, or salve, which meant good health to you, and the Greeks would wish each other long life. The phrase, God bless you, is attributed to Pope Gregory the Great, who uttered it in the 6th century during bubonic plague epidemic. Sneezing is an obvious symptom of one form of the plague. The exchangeable term Gesundheit comes from Germany, and it literally means health. The idea is that a sneeze typically precedes illness. It entered the English language in the early part of the 20th century, brought to the United States by German-speaking immigrants. Virtually every country around the globe has its own way of wishing sneeze as well. People in Arabic countries say Alhamdulillah, which means praise be to God. Hindus say live, or live well. For the most part, the various sneeze responses originated from ancient superstitions. Some people believe that a sneeze causes the soul to escape the body through the nose, saying, bless you, would stop the devil from claiming the person's freed soul. Others believe the opposite, that evil spirits use a sneeze as an opportunity to enter a person's body. There were also the misconception, bless me, excuse me, there was also the misconception that the heart momentarily stops during a sneeze. It doesn't. Oh, thank goodness for that. Oh dear. And that saying bless you was a way of welcoming the person back to life. We now know that sneezing is a reflex action and is most often fine. Oh God. Something relatively benign, such as cold or allergy. The sneeze also can be provoked by being outside in the sunlight or from smelling a strong scent. Still, we persist in the custom of saying bless you or Gesundheit, mainly out of habit and common courtesy. I like to say, bless me.